Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and just want to cover a couple of things. I've got the upcoming momentum class coming up on Saturday, doing another webinar on it on Thursday. A lot of questions coming up on it, and one of the interesting questions that came up was, can you chart options on this? And so the answer is yes. Higher volume ones, obviously. This is the SPY 595 call that expires today, June 3rd. You can see this morning it traded as low as 17 cents. Later, we got some momentum that kind of came in and then drove it. That's on the 15-minute chart from about 30, 40 cents, and it peaked about $2.20, and then we got a reversal there. And then if you go over to, like, say, the 2-minute chart, you're going to get more of the reversals. I don't pay attention to so much on the 2-minute chart. It's more the momentum. So I like the reversals on the higher time frames because they tend to be, like anything, like a 1-minute chart's gonna have a lot of noise. But what I also like about like the 1 and the 2 minutes is that you can see that momentum kick in. And once the momentum kicks in, you're typically gonna get a pretty steep move fairly quickly. And then if we switch this to just the S&P futures, and the markets are still open. It's like 1:50 Central Time right now, so we can kind of get a sense of what these look like. And so this is the S&P futures for today. And on the S&P futures, really from early this morning, even pre-market, we had these momentum bars that were just unrelenting. Now, if you get blue momentum bars, and a reversal, you just, if the next momentum bar is still going, that's fine. Really, the reversal bars I'm looking for after some gray bars. So you got momentum, 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 and then when the bars turn gray, it's not a signal to exit, it's just a signal that the momentum is winding down. And then when you get the exit, that's typically, if you're in a shorter term trade, it's like, okay, this trade is done for now. And then if you come over here to the 2-minute chart, you can see that the yellow bars indicate downward momentum. And so then you're just kind of looking for that to finish up. And then you can see here that with the green arrow that the momentum to the downside finished and all that kind of fun stuff. And then CRWV here is a great case study as well because this stock is it's in a gamma squeeze. So what does a gamma squeeze look like? So just from the open this morning, we just had insane pressure from 125 up to about 140. And then we did get 2 sell signals. It's like, all right, so we got the sell signals here, which was also lined up right here. And then when you get like something like a gamma squeeze like that, you're just kind of looking for this on the 2-minute chart like, okay, well, if you want to take profits there and you want to wait to kind of get back into it again, it's like, all right, well, here we're going up again. And this kind of insane kind of a gamma squeeze is kind of interesting. That's the meat of the move. And then from here, you just kind of decide, right, is this something I'm going to hold overnight or what kind of risk am I going to take on that? But if you're just playing the momentum, then, you're one and done and you get out. A few other ones that I'd set up for today, Coinbase, just strong momentum shortly after the open, just boom, boom, boom. Now, what's interesting here is that on the 15-minute chart, we don't even have a momentum reversal yet. So that's a good sign when it goes gray like that and there's no reversal. It typically just means you're going into consolidation. And of course, the 2-minute and the 1-minute, they're going to be all over the place. And I honestly don't use these for swing trading, or if I'm in a trade that I think I'm going to be in for a couple of days. This is just more, especially like on the S&Ps and things like that, if you're trying to trade the futures or catch these little moves here and there. What I like about these, though, is that I can see on the larger time frames what's going on. And so as an example here on Coinbase, then I can see that, okay, yeah, there was a reversal on the 1-minute chart and the 3-minute chart to the downside, but on the 10-minute, there was, a green arrow, like to the buy side. And so it kind of gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening on various time frames. And then for more swing trades where it's like, okay, I'm going to trade, I'm going to be in it for a couple of days. Typically, I'm not going less than a 30-minute chart. And then that way you're just kind of you're kind of out of the noise, and the reversals on this are also fine. So as an example, we've played CRWV a couple of times. Nice momentum here, and then you get this, and you can just kind of exit, and you can kind of wait. Typically, what I like to wait for, ideally, is you get some momentum to the downside. That's like an algo flush, and then you get a buy signal. And then that's when you can kind of get back in. So you're not necessarily getting a squeeze or anything like that. You're just seeing that the downside momentum has exhausted itself. And then from there, what you hope to see is that you start seeing, it's like, oh, wow, we got some momentum. Great. That's perfect. And then you can just kind of hang in there until you see another sell signal. So if you're looking at this, Monday was kind of quiet, and then Tuesday we're going. But on the 30-minute chart, there's no sell signal yet. So on something like this, like, yeah, you might, it's like, okay, gosh, I got a lot of profits here. I want to take some off the table, maybe roll up my deltas. If you had the 130 calls, great, roll them up to the 150s. But there's no sell signal as of yet. All right, so for those of you that were kind of intrigued by that tool, I'm going to be talking about it coming up this Thursday, June 5th at 7 o'clock Central. And you'll be shown a page where you can write. It's a free webinar. You can check it out. But just kind of discovering this is really this kind of the short version of this is that over the years I've had these really big trades over the years. Once in a while everything kind of comes together, and instinctively I was like, I know this is a time to get into the market and do it bigger size, and that would be like, oh wow, $1 million trade, and that's amazing. And this is the first time I've actually ever been able to quantify all the pieces that come together that make me say, oh, I need to get into this in a bigger size. Now, it doesn't mean you have to do it in a bigger size. You can still do it at normal size, but at least all the things that quantify, like instinctively, like, oh gosh, everything that's happening right here, this is going to be this huge move, and it's going to be very powerful, and I want to get involved in it. So it's kind of like, what almost all going back and saying like, okay, what did all my big trades have in common? And this was it. And of course you can just also use it to day trade the S&Ps and stuff like that too, which is great. So anyway, we've had a lot of great feedback on it. I'm super excited about it. It's been a long time since something kind of new has kind of come up and said, wow, this is something that's really not only can help me find more trades like this, without having to happen to be staring at the chart at the time that it happens and recognize it instinctively, but also it's just been great for day trades on the S&Ps and things like that. So if you come over here, you click register now, first name, last name, email, then you will get all the notifications so you can sign up for the webinar, and I think you really like it. And at the end, if you like it, I can show you how to get it. And if you don't want to get it, that's fine, but at least you understand the principles behind it, and then you could use it in your own trading. All right? All right, I hope it helps. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.